Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook group. So I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook group using your mobile phone, so with a step-by-step guide. So you just have to follow me in this video, so I will show you how you can do that easily. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Now first of all, what you need to do is you need to have the Facebook app. Then you just have to log into um, your Facebook account. So once you're in your Facebook account, next thing you can do is you can click on the menu on the right side of the Facebook page. So you click on the menu icon there, then you can navigate down to where we have groups. So you click on it, then you can see the groups that you've joined. So you can see groups that you've joined, and you can equally decide to create your own group. Maybe let's say for your business, or where you'll be able to monitor your customers and get feedback from people who are using or who are buying from you, or people who are using your services. So what you just need to do is just to click on the option that says create group. So once you click on it, to load up and it will give you a notice to create group. So what you just need to do is to click on it. Now before you start creating your group, I believe you must have a business before you be able to create a group. Or even if you don't have a business, let's say you just want to freestyle or share your knowledge with people in your Facebook group, or grow the Facebook group so that you can be able to earn from it. Yes, because you can equally earn from Facebook groups, whereby if people want to advertise and to your group, or if people want to make a brand reach out to your group, they can be able to pay you, so you'll be able to so you can be able to give them the opportunity. So people can equally pay you as an influencer. So that's one of the reasons why you might want to create a Facebook group, so you can become an influencer. In order to influence in a market, let's say for any brand at all. So you can just create a Facebook group. So now for you to create a Facebook group, you must have as in an idea in mind. Understand? So an idea in mind. So let's say that you already have the idea in mind. Now for you to create a group, you just have to click on naming the group. So for you to name the group, the naming should be from what you intend to do in the group. So it's best to do that, because it's not like where you name the group another thing, then inside the group you do another thing. No, it's best if you name the group so this or that, then you can be able to do that stuff in the group. So let's say for instance here for the group, I'll be naming the group let me name the group let me name the group okay, let me name the group start okay let me name the group blogging tips. Let me name the group blogging tips. You understand? Okay, or you can say content writing tips, depending on anything or any the idea you have in mind. It just depends on the idea you have in mind. So what you should just click on or select name the group, and you can input anything that you have in mind. Then you can go for the privacy. You can decide if what does it mean to be public or private. Public means your group can be seen by people. People can see the group. You understand? Yeah, and people can be able to equally people that have not joined the group already can equally see the messages inside the group. So that is one of the attributes of public, choosing the public section or the public option. But for the private option here, it means that people can equally search for your group and see the group, but they cannot be able to see things that are happening in the group unless they join. They will have to join first before they will be able to see what is happening in the group and all that. So for you to be able to it depends on your choice. Let's say if you want your group to be public, it depends on what you intend to use it for. If you want it to be private, it depends on what you want to use it for. So but I would advise that as you're starting off, you just have to click. You can choose the public option, so that people will be able to see the value you offer. Maybe at a time, then you now change the group privacy to private. You can then change the group privacy to private. You understand? So but for easier reach, so that people can understand well, because many people don't like joining groups that they don't know what is happening inside, even if they should know the name, but they might feel like even if I should join this group now, it might keep bothering my notification box or something like that. So what you just have to do for now is, like, you can make the group to be public, and the reason why you're making it to be public is not like you are doing it so that you can so that so that anybody can just join. No, the reason why you are making it to be public for now is that people will be able to see the value, you understand, the value that you want to offer through the group, you understand, the value you want to offer to them, you understand, through the group, so they'll be able to stick with you. You understand the idea there? So they'll be able to stick with you. So now once you choose the privacy, then you can click on done, then you can click on create, and once you do that, immediately your Facebook group will be created. As you can see, once you create your group, it will tell you to invite people that are in your networks and the rest of them. So even if you don't want to do that, you can just click on done. You can then add a description of the group. Now already, remember, I named the group blogging tips. Now I would like to do something now, which is to add description of the group in order to define what the group is mostly, or like stands out for, you understand. So to do that, you just have to type in what the group is for. Let me just write a short note quickly on what the group is for. I will be like, okay, this group is created to help you through your blogging journey, you understand, through your blogging journey, with step by step guides and tips, on daily basics. So that will be okay for now. So you can just put any description that you have for your group, short description, or depending on the thing you have to do with the group. So once you're done with that, you just click on done, then you click on done. So once you're done with that, you just click on done, and once you are done, you see it says group description has been created or updated successfully. So you can then go ahead to create a post if you want to create a post immediately on the group, or you can equally just click on done, like maybe just you can create a group anytime sooner, or anytime or any period you want to do that. So as you can see, this group is now live, you understand. So the group is now live. Now the next thing to do is to optimize the group. So I won't want this video to take much more longer. So in the next part 2 of this video, or the part 2 series of this video, I'll be showing you how you can now optimize this Facebook group so that it can stand out from other groups, you understand. So I'll be showing you how to do that, and remember, it will be on your mobile phone, so easily and very, very quickly. So you just need to watch the next video. So just stay tuned with my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification icon, and wait for the next video, so I'll be able to release more in-depth tutorials on. You can go through my channel to see most of the things you have done already, and you can learn from them. So give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and if you don't like the video, equally give it a dislike. I would like to know your reaction towards this video. So in the next video, stay tuned, as I will be showing you more details on how you can optimize this group. For now, peace out.